Hi there, this is your Sewing Sherpa Shauna at Needles and Knots here in Tucson, Arizona, and I hope you made it out of town for the summer. But if you're stuck here, like me and my three big doggies, the bean season is on us, and I am putting out a last call for the Tailored Pants Workshop, which runs for the next, for 4 weeks, June 29th, July 6th, Sundays, for 4 weeks in a row. It's coming up in just under 2 weeks, and there's a few seats left. And what a better way to spend hot Sunday afternoons. Instead of stuck inside your house, you could be playing at the studio, learning a new skill. So tailored pants or shorts. So short, if the pant idea is turning you off because, well, it's summer, you could always make shorts. And this is a great one right here, the Vogue V9008, and I just looked it up, and it's only in paper pattern format now. You can't get it as a PDF or an instant download, so that means you gotta buy the pattern right now if you wanna do these ones, right? There's a lot of other patterns out there too. There's a lot of really great patterns, and if you order up your pattern today and your fabric today, it should be here in plenty of time. I also have the ability to print patterns here, so a download, I can print it, and so then that you're left, getting the right fabric. And so I've made a little preparatory video that I've shared with the current students, and I'm gonna put a little link for it here in this newsletter so that you can see what's involved. It's fairly simple. And I would love to see you in the pants workshop starting in about a week and a half, not this Sunday, but the Sunday after. This Sunday we're going to be doing a workshop on how to shop for fabrics online, which can be a little frustrating at times, you know what I mean? But the world's your oyster once you know what you're doing. So feel free to reach out if you have any questions or concerns. If finances are the reason why you're not taking the Tailored Pants Workshop, give me a call. Maybe we can work something out, okay? All right, keep on sewing.